So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5. This is a half-horse model here. You can register it here. That's the serial number if you want to. It's only a 1-year warranty, but can't get my phone in there. Maybe I can. You can see incubator Badger. You can't. I'll show you the box. So it's the half-horse Badger 5 and half-horse. And it comes with a new line cord, so that's installed. We did replace the flange as well. The other one was, there was some corrosion down there, so the wire was escaping past the mounting flange, and it was just a little corroded up against here. So brand new flange, brand new putty, brand new disposal. All the other components are yours. Telescoping kit here, and of course the discharge hose. So everything else, I'm assuming, was working correctly. It was just this, the garbage disposal had failed. It was cracked and water was coming out. So that's good. Monitor this for leaks. Any trouble, just holler. We'll come out and take it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.